This is a review on this keyboard. So this is how it sounds. And then these are the lights. And then this is the base. This one flashes. And then this one, when you click, it turns blue. Pretty cool. And then that's it. And then if you guys want to see if it works, you can see. It's a good PC. Keyboard.
Hello everybody. I ordered the brown switches and this is what they sound like. Yeah, they sound amazing for this cheap price. And also, if you hold FN and you click this, you can change the modes. You can function through them, see what kind of mode you want, which I just use this one, right? I use this one because it lights up whenever you press the key, which I thought was pretty cool, so I have that. It also comes with this keycap puller, which works amazing. See, look, swap hands. Alright. Just gonna make sure it works like every other keycap puller. I can do it with one hand, so that's something. It's a very good keycap puller. Here's the brown switch. It's very nice, and if you want to know that you have caps lock on, the light stays lit up. So it is I think it is a 5 stars, and I would totally recommend.
This is how it sounds, the red quiet switches. And then, this is how you change the mode. You press FN and then this control. There's this control. See? There is this one. When you type it, it shows the letter. There's this one where it's just kind of like, goes like that. Just lines. It's pretty cool. There's this one, scattered. This one, it's pretty cool. The fade in and then fade out. Like a shockwave kind of effect. You have this, the normal one, but this one's my favorite. It's a very good product for its price. I mean, it's what you expect. It's actually pretty heavy, and it has a stand too. Like if you want to play on like a desk and you get stand, there's like stands in the back. See? Cool stands. This is what you get for your price. Get it.
So I ordered the brown switch, and so far I really like the sound. It's really cool. Yeah, I like it. And then I found out, well, after reading the instructions, you could change the light by hitting FN and whatever that key is. That's that. Considering the price, I don't think it's bad at all. I really like this. comes with this. I think that's really neat. Can't wait to customize this. So, good value, good price. Really good.
So I got this keyboard for like $21, and it's like, I got round switches, and it sounds beautiful. The LEDs are good. It has like 18 modes. You can adjust you can do a lot of things with it, but it sounds pretty good. Stabilized keyboard. Everything works. I definitely recommend.
This is such a good keyboard. I got the brown switches. It's really good. I also got the mouse. It's super good. You can switch the RGBs by doing just this. Super cool. I really recommend getting this.
Queremos alerta al consumidor, los CDC están advirtiendo a los compradores que se mantengan alejados del melón comido.
Got the blue switches, and this is how it sounds.